Top of the morning to you, YouTube. This is Scotty, and I scratch lottery tickets for fun. So let's have some fun. Today, we are going to be scratching two of these £5 win 50. Now, these are shocking scratch cards, but we're going to scratch them anyway. Let's talk about it. Today, we're going to be using Donkey Kong to dig out some winners, hopefully. Let me tell you why these particular scratch cards from the lottery are pants, right? All you can win in this card is match your numbers with these numbers. You can get a scratch off a 5 here, find a 5, find a 10. The top prize on this card is £50. That's it. No big jackpot, £50. It says over 200,000 in top prizes of £50. This card is, in my opinion, a joke. But let's just take a look at the odds as well here, which is an even bigger joke. Look, 1 in 3.57. So here's my advice. I would not buy these cards to scratch them and spend a fiver, or buy two cards and spend a tenner, when all you can get back for your spend is a possible £50. Nice looking card, I have to say. I really like the look of it. Very similar to what our American cousins, our American friends get the scratch in the United States. But if you look at the prize amounts on their cards, there is no way in the States that any of the different states lotteries would get away with putting a card out like this. It'd be an absolute uproar, and rightly so. This is a shocking prize, set of prize amounts on a scratch card. But without further ado, we are going to scratch them just to see. We are going to scratch ticket 035, ticket 036. So these two cards were bought in the same shop. We're going to scratch 035 first of all. Let's see what we get. We're looking at 5, we get a 1. We're looking at 10, we get a 12. Now, matching numbers, here we go. That's our numbers. Okay, we are looking at 2. 2. No 2. No 2. Okay, these are our numbers. Looking at 2, we have a 1. Don't see a 2. 17, looking at 17. Do we have a 17? I don't see one. 37 is my idea of heaven, but not on this card. 14, do I see a 14 anywhere? I see a 15, but no 14. Do we have a 3? Don't see a 3 on this card so far. And a 21. Do you see a 21? See a 22, but no 21. So, unless I'm greatly mistaken, the first ticket is, not too surprisingly, a loser. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, just final thing here. Down here it says a money bag to win the prize shown as well. Not that that really matters, because this card is, in my opinion, pants. Here we go. Okay, we're looking at 5, we get a 7. We're looking at 10, we get an 18. Whoopie-doo. Okay, our numbers. Okay, Let's see how we do. Okay, no money bags, so no symbol, no fingers. Do we have a 4? Don't see one. Do we have a 21? Don't see one. An 11. 27. We have a 28. No 27. 23. Don't see it. 39. 38. No 39. Okay, so £10 spent. Nothing back. Not surprising, to be quite honest. And I will not be scratching this particular card on my channel again. I think it's an awful card, awful odds, and I think a £50 top prize is, quite frankly, an insult to anyone's intelligence. So therefore, I'm going to boycott this card, not going to play it again. And there's a difference between fun and stupidity. This is a classic example. I'm always saying in my videos, play responsibly. Playing this card, I don't think is playing responsibly, because you haven't a chance of winning a decent big enough amount back to make it worth your while having a punt on this card. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.